Okay, so for this DIY you will need a shirt, ruler, something to mark like chalk or pen, seam ripper, pins, scissor and thread and needle. So for step 1 you have to take the shirt and open the sides so that we can get a big page to work on. Both the sides I have removed it, and make a horizontal line from the sleeves, from the where the sleeves end, and then from there mark at every 1 inch like I have done it. Same you have to repeat it again. You have to mark at every 1 inch. And do it again. Take a ruler and mark straight lines connecting all the 3 points that we have made. And do it all the way. So for step 3, after completing these lines, you have to measure the length of the top, how much you want, and make the lines till that. And after that, take the scissor and from the first line take at least 2 centimeters or 1 centimeter and cut it. So now we will get a flat piece of cloth. After that, fold this till the line. And pin it up if you want. Same way I have done here. From this side also I folded the fabric, and also from this side I folded the fabric. After that, take a needle and thread and stitch all the 3 sides. So as you can see, I have stitched the 3 sides. So now take the thread and don't put a knot at the end, and start doing running stitch on the lines you made. And leave long thread at the ending, means at the starting of this stitch.
हाँ मैं मैगी बनाने इधर कोची बंदे दिखे तेरे को?
अबे गोंड and also leave the rest of the thread at the end. I'll tell you the use of this remaining threads at the end of this video, and after completing this, do the same on the rest of the lines. I'll do it and I'll show you after completing this. As I said, you have to leave these threads. So now start pulling the threads from both the sides like this. Pull the fabric inside. So and do that same thing with all the threads. Once you have done this, measure your chest part, how much you need for your chest, and then spread it out so that it's okay. After doing this is the front part. Now we will do the back part, and after this keep it aside. Now we will start to make the back from the remaining part of the shirt. So mark 1 inch from the collar where the collar ends, and then cut it out. So keep this part aside. Then where the sleeves end, over here mark a straight line on the front side and cut it out. Same way do it on the other side. Now put this aside and take these parts and at least fold 1 centimeter from each side and then stitch it. Do the same with this part. fold 1 centimeter like this, and then stitch it, and also below the collar stitch the part with that we have cut it out properly. So for the bag, we will take this, measure it how much it is. It is approximately 8.5 centimeter. Approximately 8.5 centimeter. So we will take here 10 centimeters, around 10 centimeters, and make a line, and then 7. And according to this, at the end of the fabric, we will make it a straight line to make the fabric equal. And same we will do with the other side, and put it down and cut them both together. Same way we will do with this. Make sure it is properly placed so that you don't get uneven parts, like one is different and another one is different. Okay, so now measure your chest round. Mine it is 30 inches. So my front part will be 15 inches, and same the back part will be 15 inches. So I will place this according to that. Fold the part and place it over here, and also fold it from above so you don't have any raw edges. Same way I will do with the second part. Fold it and place it over here, and also fold from above and place it over here, and then I will stitch the two sides so that I get a upper part of the top. Now after that, I'll place the remaining cutout fabric at the bottom and attach it with the top, and I'll attach like this at the bottom. This also you have to fold and adjust according to your chest round, and if you want you can cut the extra fabric which is there. Okay, after this, the collar which we had cut, this also measure your waist round first, then we will see according to my waist this is perfect. So I will put a button, I will stitch a button over here in the front and put this, and here I will make a buttonhole. So I will complete the stitching and show it to you.